Hey lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. So this is our final look for 2019, and we're gonna go out with a classic bang. Okay, this is a look for when you are going out for New Year's, and you cannot go wrong with a black smoky eye. And I'm just adding a little bit of glitter to give it a little zing zing, you know, make it look like we popping. Okay, but I am starting out with creating a base using my concealer, and then I am applying my setting powder over it, and then I'm going to start out with a brown eyeshadow, a light brown, and we're going to be popping that above our crease. Any light brown that you like, a matte brown, put that above the crease. And then I took a second brown, a tad bit darker than that, and I applied it directly under that first brown. So then I took my last brown, which is a dark brown. So really I used 4 shades in total. Yep, 4 shades. And I'm putting that in my crease area. We're creating like this gradient effect with the black, so the black is not so harsh. Now, sometimes I'll start out with just my black eyeshadow and work my way up using the dark brown, the light brown, or orange or yellow, whatever. But I decided just to do it this way this time around. But if you are celebrating New Year's, whether you're in the church or you're out at a club with your friends, celebrate with your boo thing, please be safe. Just make sure you guys are alert and aware of your surroundings. If you are out celebrating, you know, at a bar or a club, make sure you guys have a DD, because we will not be drinking and driving. Okay, we need to make it past New Year's. Okay, we need to be safe. So I'm putting that black all over my lid area, and y'all, it's simple. This is very, very just simple, and I love this go-to look because it is so easy to do. So now all you want to do is blend, and I like to blend, add, and all that good stuff, just to get it how I like it. So now I'm just going to be adding this glitter base. I got this glitter base from Sally's. I will be putting everything in the description box as always, but I'm thinking about getting a new one. It's okay, but I think I can find something way better than this. But I am applying this black, like, sparkly glitter. It's called Black Friday. I ordered from Hammered Nails. Yeah, Hammered Nails. Yeah. And I will have that in the description box as well. But I ordered 3 glitters from her. I used Angel for my silver Christmas look, and I'm using Black Friday for New Year's. So I will leave that down below so y'all can check out. She does press-on nails as well. Y'all need to check her out, okay? Because the glitters are bomb. They don't feel like super harsh on the skin, because I have some glitters I got from a local beauty store, and they are a pain to take off, honestly. Like, they scrub the skin. So we got the glitter on, popping some mascara on, and I'm going to just be applying some lashes, and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to be doing my face routine off camera. So once we do that, I'm just taking a regular old black eyeliner pencil I found, because I've been looking for my black eyeliner pencil, and I decided to clean out my makeup stash, and I found it. I need a new one because this one ain't gonna last too much longer. But I'm taking that and I'm lining my eyes with that, and then I'm taking that black eyeshadow and I'm going right underneath where I put that black, and then I'm taking the chocolate brown and those 2 light browns, and I'm going to be smoking the bottom lash line out. Always, like, if you're gonna do a heavy eye look, please make sure you put eyeshadow on the bottom lash line. It just looks so much better. I hate to see a top heavy eyeshadow look and the bottom lash line is like blank. I I don't know, it just makes it look weird. I don't know, people like it, but it's not my thing. So the eyes are done, you guys. I'm just adding some blush. I'm gonna be adding a highlight, and I think I did like the inner corner highlight, and I'm gonna put on some lips. I try to do this nude lip. I've been watching Beats by Deb, and she had this little tip trick hack thing where she takes dark concealer and she lines her lips with it. So that's what I did, and I actually like that because it's so creamy and it actually looks really, really nice. So I did do that, and then I took a light color concealer in my same little palette, and I will have this below, and I put it in the center and added a gloss. But yeah, y'all, that is it. Like, I hope y'all have a wonderful new year. Y'all know I ain't gonna be doing that. I gotta go to work the next day. Like, I'm not gonna be doing anything, but I can't wait to see what 2020 has in store for my channel. I just want it to grow, and I just want to just inspire others to create channels or do what they love. So I'm actually excited about 2020. So I'm gonna finish off this lip combo. We're gonna do what it do, and I will see y'all in 2020 in my next video.